Keep getting an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue message when firing up Roblox? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll help you fix an error occurred and Roblox cannot continue error on your computer. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, try deleting temporary Roblox files. To do this, type run in the search bar here and open it up. Then type %temp% here and hit enter. Now, File Explorer will open up. Scroll down a little and find the Roblox folder and delete it. Now check if you can open up Roblox properly. Solution 2. If you're still facing the issue, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it from Microsoft Store. Uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the three-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now search for Microsoft Store and open it up. Type Roblox in the search bar here and hit enter. Now click on Roblox, then on Get, and Roblox should start installing. Once it's done, just hit the play button and you should be able to open Roblox without this issue. And that's a wrap, folks. If the video helped you out, drop a like. If you're craving for more Roblox tips and tricks, hit that subscribe button. Thanks a bunch for watching.